Before you sell your home, watch this, a seller's guide to real estate. Selling your home is a big decision, even more so in today's ever-changing economic and housing market adjustments. I want you to know I'm here with you every step of the way. Hi everyone, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist and the creator of the Click on Home show. Today's video is a step-by-step plan on how to sell your home in this new real estate reality. The real estate market is like many things in life and business. It's constantly changing. That's not a bad thing. What's important is you have a resource that you can trust that will provide you with a solid understanding of what the market trends will do for you and your buying and selling power. There are three types of real estate markets. The first type is the seller's market. This happens when there are fewer homes on the market and the buyers are competing for the properties. Often you will see multiple offers or the purchase price is higher or above list price. This is favorable for the seller. The second type is the buyer's market. This happens when there's a flood of properties on the market and the home sellers are competing to attract the buyers. This results in lower price points and terms more favorable to the buyers. The third type is a balanced market. This happens when there's a more even balance between the properties for sale and the buyers coming to market. This is the most fair and equitable of the three, but is less common than the other two. Next question you want to ask yourself, is now a good time to sell? Talk to your real estate agent to give you an idea of which real estate market cycle your particular area is leaning towards. It's important to understand national trends don't always mean we are seeing the same conditions locally. Every market is different. Most importantly, your question should be, what is your motivation to sell or stay? While some conditions may favor selling to get a higher price point, I often coach my clients to clearly identify what this move might look like and feel like for their families, as well as keeping an eye on what their return on investment would be. I will help you fully lay out all this information so you can make the best possible decision for your family, both emotionally and financially. What's next for you? Drop me a comment below and let me know. If you have any questions about anything on the video, email me at loriclick@remax.net. Don't forget, hit that like button. It really helps me out. Next week's episode is putting your house on the market. So smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Until next week, this is where home is always first.